Tonight, 2 Wilmington City Council members held a virtual town hall to discuss how minority groups are disproportionately affected by COVID-19. WWAY's Matt Bennett tuned in and joins us now with more. So Matt, what are the effects we're seeing?
Donna, nationwide, data shows that minority groups see harsher effects from COVID-19. Question posed tonight were why that is and what we can do to change it.
At what rates are Blacks and other minorities affected by COVID-19?
What we can tell is that it seems to affect the minority community, particularly the Black community, much more severely than other race groups.
According to the CDC, data from 580 patients hospitalized with lab-confirmed COVID-19 found that 45% were white compared to 55% in minority communities. Death rates in New York show more than twice as many African-American deaths compared to Caucasians.
Now, the question I would ask as the follow-up then is not only how, but why.
African Americans and Black and brown communities, we are overrepresented in those instances where, again, no, we cannot afford to stay home or do not have those quality jobs where we can work remotely.
A virtual town hall hosted by Wilmington City Council members Clifford Barnett and Kevin Spears aimed to address questions and concerns from these minority communities and separate fact from fiction.
What's the importance of wearing masks?
The reason masks are important are protecting you from spraying your aerosols, which is how COVID-19 or coronavirus is transmitted. That's one of the big ways, but it also reduces slightly the likelihood that you get it from someone else.
The panel, including medical professionals from New Hanover Regional Medical Center, the county's health preparedness coordinator, Wilmington Mayor Bill Saffo, leaders of the NAACP, and others. One point often discussed was a lack of access to or distrust of healthcare among minority communities.
We need more physicians and providers who look like us. We want people to trust their healthcare workers.
As our state begins to reopen, those who spoke wanted to drive home the point that this pandemic is not over.
There was some discussion about the ability of churches to hold service. Just because you can may not mean that you should.
You can rewatch that town hall in its entirety online. We have a link to it on our website, WWAYTV3.com.